twister. Still on the journey. Clear your eyes like that. Yeah, people, we're almost in the town of Langston. So yeah, guys, we're actually in the town of Langston. I'm going.
Miss, yes or no? Yes or
No, brother.
no?
Yes. I say look old. So yeah, guys. Alright, man. I'm actually going to Singer to get me a sewing machine and stuff like that. Hopefully I can get it. So with me is my bro and my sister. White people. Christmas still a keep. New Year's, everybody at once, same way. Oh my God, people. Christmas still a keep. So yeah, guys. It's just a normal day with me, you know, wanting to get something I thought would be a good idea. And that's just about it. So yeah, people, we're actually in Aslan. This looks good. Feel good. Yeah. Who you looking for? Here? Who you want it for? Oh. Look at the price. So that's the king himself. We're actually in Aslan. Yeah. So we're climbing the stairs, people. Yeah. Wow. I'm just walking with my sister right here. Alright, so yeah, people. I'm just gonna do one little walk in meantime. So my sister get through. I'm actually just here with her. I haven't reached Singer as yet. Woo. Yeah, it's cute. Cute. You say if you want to know. Yeah. You're salon as a scooter. Yeah, right. Perfect color. Okay. People, isn't this cute? That is cute. Put it back. Put it back. I don't wanna. And it's strong too. So that's what it's something where you put it somewhere you stand up so wide and try spinning with it. That's too wide. You know, see, people, if you don't want some cute little bride for, you know, a child and a little girls, then this is the place to come. Yes. Ah, they're cute. They're so cute. Watch out. In my vlog. He's vlogging. Watch Emily. Look at Emily. Wow. Isn't she lovely? How far they go butt out now?
Ready?
Look at my sister.
Knock out the balls.
Look at my sister, people. That's my sister. One of my sister. What else you looking for? So we ready? Come the car. We going back now to the stairs. People, the journey is real. It is real, trust me. We're actually walking towards Singer now. You tired, brother? Okay. People, we have a sister walk fast. She not even sister we hide.
Oh no, it doesn't.
She not even sister we stop. Yeah? So she walk fast.
You have go over, go look.
Say stand up beside her. Come over now, now, you see. People, I can't believe she walks so fast. And that's sister we stop. And I say she go come back and look. What we see?
Okay.
Alright, but now make sure calm. We are going. You see that turn back, you know? Look what the road one cross. Oh. What is on the safer stall? She gone? Hurrah! No, sir. She not even see what happened to it. No, sir. She got hide with her. Oh, hurrah! In there front way. You just see one looking for his way. Alright, we're almost there. When I get there, I will see you guys. So yes, guys, we're actually, at Singer. Woo! Yeah. I just think I should take you guys on this journey with me. Yeah. Woo. Sun is hot, people. Woo. Hello, good afternoon. Thanks. How much is it? I like to make it to this one.
Oh, the machine?
Yeah.
Industrial machine? It's $80,000. This one? If I'm coming from the opposite direction, you're right. I'm coming from Riverside.
So yeah, guys, we're actually in the store looking at this. Yes, I am excited, very excited. Yes, with my bro.
Yes, I know. So fancy more take you now.
When say a while ago?
Fancy more take you now.
Who are gonna take you in those pants?
No, me, I use the machine.
Hell no. Monitor, count, bullshit, walk. Yeah. So this is the machine, guys. This is it. I actually want to take it out today. So yeah, people. Yeah. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. Yeah. actually get it. So yeah, people, I actually purchased the thing. But when we reach home, we'll make a seat and stuff like that. Yeah, I feel good.
Yeah,
Feel
grow
proud
up.
of myself. You agree me?
Yeah,
You agree me?
yeah.
Oh, watch ya. Yeah, guys. So this is basically it. I hope you guys. It's nothing really that is fun. I am just sharing my little day and nothing I get with you guys. So that this day will be a memorable one for me. Yes. So thanks for watching. See you guys when I am home. Alright? Guys, sorry I did not get to end of my video yesterday, but I am indeed successful, with my machine, my sewing machine, the industrial one, yes, which can do just about everything. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Yes, guys, I am ready for church, but I actually just want to get this out the way, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna show you guys. I am very excited. I am very proud of me. Yes, so here we go. This is actually my sewing machine. Come a little closer and show it to them. Yes, show it to them. Let's show it to them. Oh, this is the back part, people. That is, let me show them on here, so and all of that. Yes, actually, you guys will see me as I, try or learn to use my sewing machine. I am not a professional, nor neither do I know how to, but I am willing to learn. And I tell myself that I will be professional in sheets and curtains. So as time goes by and I become, a pro, then you guys can just place my order and you don't know no girl I go do no quality stuff. Yeah. So this is just about it. I hope you guys enjoy. I am so excited. I am so proud of me. I can actually start and to do my own business. Yes, it is just about that. I always want to be an entrepreneur, to do my own thing, my own boss and all of that. So yes, this is the whole thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think and how you feel about me. Yes, because if I am proud of me, then you guys supposed to feel some sort of way about me also. And this is just about it. I am off to church now. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.